Hi, I'm coming to you at night, this time with connection before correction, another positive discipline tool. The idea behind connection before correction is you want to solidify the love and acknowledge the love between you and your child before you correct your child. It usually makes things go better. So when you create a connection before a correction, that's a really good example of being kind and firm at the same time. I talked about that in an earlier video. So something I like to say in the classroom is often, I love you, and the answer is no. The and is really, really important in a lot of things with positive discipline, and it can be really, really critical to use it here in connection before correction. I can also say like, I love you, and I see this is really hard for you right now. Some other examples here on this card are, you are more important to me than your grades. I wonder what your grades mean to you. So you're taking that ownership from yourself, the external locus of the child, and you're giving it to the child. Yeah. This other example is, I love you, and I have faith that we can find a respectful solution. I say that a lot with my children at school, something like that. You say, I love you, you mean a lot to this classroom, and I know you can work this out. And the last example here is, I know how much you want that, and I'm sorry you can't have it now. A big part of being kind and firm and having that connection at the same time before the correction is that you acknowledge what the person is going through, even though you're holding the line that you've previously set out. So I hope that you can use this a little bit in your interactions with your children and maybe even your colleagues. And I will see you another time for another tip. Good night.